Hello everyone, and thanks for tuning into the Financial Investor channel. My name is Brent, and today we're going to be taking a look at Stash Invest. We're going to be taking a look at the investment options. We're going to be taking a look at how much they would charge you if you were on the platform, how long I've been on the platform, and at the very end of the video, I'm going to be closing out of my account here on Stash Invest. So if you are brand new to the channel, hit that subscribe button below. If you do enjoy the video, find it helpful, hit the thumbs up. And of course, if you have any comments, questions going over this video, stock market, personal finance, real estate, drop it in the comment section. I always appreciate all your guys' feedback as well as the subscriptions and thumbs up. And let's go ahead and get into the video. So if you've ever been on Stash Invest and such, this is probably not very new to you. But if you are going to be closing out of your account, you could, skip to the end here and figure, know how to do that. Now, why exactly am I closing out of my Stash Invest account? Well, in 2019, I made a goal of mine to go through my brokers that I am no longer active. Now, I have many brokers out there from Stash Invest. I have Acorns, I have Webull, Robinhood, M1 Finance, Merrill Edge, my Thrift Savings Plan, my Roth 401k. I may have some other ones out there, but that already is 8 different brokers. Now, I am not actively using many of them, such as Acorns, Stash, Robinhood, Webull, and maybe there are a couple other ones out there, but I'm trying to roll counts into M1 Finance because that is my main investing platform. It offers free trades, partial shares, the Roth IRA. It has everything that I need going forward, and I don't really need all these other little brokers that could cause me issues if I'm not reporting the capital gains or the dividends that I may make within them, and I just don't want to have these accounts active. Now, Stash Invest, they have a number of platforms, plus their sort of initial page here is actually pretty nice because as you're starting your portfolio, your investment journey here on Stash, they have some sort of challenges which can help brand new investors kind of get a jump start and feel engaged and want to begin their platform, so they can go and start doing some challenges here. Now, I'm not going to go ahead and click on any of these because I'm not sure where they'll jump to, but we can see here I have not added a bank to this specific broker. I've actually been on this broker for quite a while. If I go ahead and take a look at my activity tab, I have been on this broker since July of 2017. Now, I was checking out different brokers. At the time, I believe I was on Motive Investing, and before that, I was on Vanguard or Fidelity, but that was back in like 2010, 2014, somewhere in that time frame, and then 2015, I was on Motive Investing, and until 2017, I started moving over to Robinhood, and then Merrill Edge, and then M1 Finance here in 2018. So I have been to multiple brokers, just trying them out. As new brokers come out, they often improve their functionality, what they can offer, and now we get a free platform such as M1 Finance that's just giving us free trades, partial shares, and such. It gives us everything we really want. So here, this platform, been on it since July 2017. It does have a number of good investment options out here. You can see here that it has some blue chip stocks, some stocks worldwide, delicious dividends, American innovators. If I were to select into these, you'll probably know some of these names here. Now, the blue chips is the Vanguard Mega Cap ETF, the exchange traded fund here, ticker symbol MGC. This is a pretty common ETF over on the Facebook groups. I see this one come up pretty often, as well as the Schwab ETF for the dividends. So it has links to the Vanguard fund here for you can go check out their specific ETF, what their expense ratio is. It shows you the risk level and such. And down here towards the bottom, it shows you your top holdings: Microsoft, Amazon, Apple, Facebook, Berkshire Hathaway, and so on. Now, the other one here, the delicious dividends, this one's the Schwab US Dividend Equity ETF, exchange traded fund there, ticker symbol SCHD. This one offers a very nice dividend yield of 2.74 starting, whereas this one's 1.91. So that's why they have this they renamed their ETFs to make it more appealing to the users. That when they're glancing over these names, they can make it a little bit more obvious as to what the ETF does. So this is just called Delicious Dividends. And number one holding there, you can see Home Depot, Intel, Walmart, Procter & Gamble, IBM, Union Pacific, and so on. Now, they do have a number of investment options, 204 there. Now, at the time when I started on this platform back in 2017, they only offered around 38, maybe some 40 ETFs. But with time, they started adding more and more. And about 6 months ago or so, they sent an email that they had started adding some individual stocks. Now, when I was moving from motive investing and taking a look at Robinhood, at Stash, at Acorns, I wanted to be able to invest in single stock allocations. I had single stocks that I already had in my portfolios that I've been holding for a while. I wanted to continue holding these single stock allocations such as Apple. I was investing in Amazon, back on Motive Investing, Facebook, Google. I was a pretty growth heavy investor between 2010 and 2017. 2017, that's when I kind of transitioned my portfolio from a growth style over to a dividend investor. So they have a bunch of single stock allocations, as well as you can see here that they added in some more ETFs here down towards the bottom. Now, Stash has a pretty good list of exchange traded funds and single stock allocations. And as far as a fee, they only charge you a fee if you have over $5,000. And this fee would either be $1 or 0.25% of a balance here of $5,000. So if we had $5,000 in there and we take out that 0.25%, that would be roughly $12.50. That seems like a pretty good chunk there taken out of your portfolio for having $5,000 or more sitting in your account. And that is every single month. You can see here that everything here has been waived on the portfolio, and that is because I just don't have any cash in there. I've never added anything to here. Now, the last thing here that I wanted to do on the platform was close out of the account. Now, in order to do this, we can select Manage Accounts. Here, if you're looking to close out of your account, remember that selling your investment and closing your account will have tax consequences. Read about your closing your account here. I'm not too worried. I've never invested any sort of cash in the broker. I have never recommended Stash myself. I believe they offered it for a while, so I did offer it out to my viewers, subscribers, saying, hey, Stash is offering a free year, I believe. Maybe it was Acorns, but we had offered it out there just to try it out, and I don't know of anybody that actually signed up for this. There's so many other brokers out there that were already offering the free and not charging you a fee. So in order to close out of your account, select close the account. It says, are you absolutely sure you want to stop building wealth? Sell all your investments and close your account. Warning, this is permanent and will have tax consequences. So it makes it pretty, are you really sure you want to stop building wealth? That first sentence there, the first area. So I'm going to go ahead and select delete forever. Okay, your account is now being closed. This process may take as long as 10 days and can be canceled at any time. Okay, I got it. And that is it. We have gone over Stash Invest investment accounts, what sort of fees they charge. If you have over $5,000, they charge you that dollar fee or 0.25%. And I've been on this platform. I have had the option to invest on this platform since July 2017. I have never actually added any sort of capital to this broker just because there were other brokers that either offered the exact same thing, because the retirement accounts here, that wasn't added until probably some recent. And by the time that Stash and Acorns and many other brokers did start to add in their own retirement IRA, Roth IRA broker, their accounts, M1 Finance was already out there on the field back in, January 2018, pushing out saying, hey, we just turned our platform free. You can now invest on here for free on stocks, ETFs, and have a Roth IRA or IRA. So M1 was already out there really pushing it. So that is basically all I wanted to cover in today's video. So if you are brand new to the channel, you did enjoy the video, hit that subscribe button below. If you have any comments, questions, go on over Stash Invest. I may be able to answer them, but I haven't been on the platform a whole lot. But if you are just asking personal finance, stock market, real estate questions, drop it in the comment section. I do always appreciate all your guys' comments as well as your feedback on the videos and topics going forward. So if you have any of that, drop it in the comment section. And that is it. Thank you all for tuning in. I will see you next time. Have a great day. Bye.